guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing my new gel polish and my gel lamp. Okay guys, so this is a lamp and it's a UV and LED lamp in one. It's look very stylish, it's very light and reminds me some Apple products, just look really nice and stylish. And so let's see here, you can open those little legs to stand it like that on a table, so you can put your hand right under that. Also here is the cord, you can plug it like that. If you have adapter you can plug it to the wall. Right now I don't have adapter right here, but I have my computer. So I plugged right into my computer, and here as you see it says 60 seconds and 90 seconds. Let's just press this lamp. I'll show you like that, and you see those 6 lamps. It's a LED and UV lamps that will help you to cure your gel polish, and you can work it in salon or at home. I think that is a really good thing. The only thing I will suggest you with such a small lamps, because I had before one and sometimes I had to do little adjustment. So make sure to not put all 5 fingers at once, because if you will cure thumb, as you see my other nails is out, and if I will cure my fingers here, then my thumb is kind of out. So what I usually do, I will apply one hand, and sometimes maybe even ask your client to placate a little like that, because I also had situation when my pinky wouldn't cure, because some of my clients had maybe longer fingernails that I need to fit in. So I usually like to kind of placate on an angle like that, as you see. So for sure all my 4 fingers gonna be cured. And then my next step is 2 thumbs, and then I'm putting like that to the lamp, and you can place 2 of them at the same time and cured. Oh, and one more thing, if you on a trip and maybe decided to do for your friends some manicures and you don't have charger with you, so here it says push, you push it up, oops, and I accidentally pressed it, I don't need that. And here you have 3 batteries. Yeah, you place it and then it's gonna be working without cord. It's a bit cordless. Okay, so one more time like that lamp, very cute, and then you just packet everything, take the cord out, put in your purse, and you're ready to go. I think it's such a great idea. In this little box, it's top and base coat. Right after my little presentation, I'm gonna show you how I am applying this top and base coat. So I do use everything. I use dehydrator, I use a primer. So I do preparation like I do hard gel, but I apply this base coat and top coat. And my clients usually go 3 to 4 weeks. But if you do at home and if you have lamp, then you can just go ahead, apply however you usually do, and if it's in 4 days peels, and do new one. So I know some of my friends, they do that at home, they just like to peel them in a few days and then apply new one. Let's go ahead and see some colors that I ordered. Okay guys, let's open this box with some colors, and I ordered 6 colors. I'm gonna show you. All bottle has a wooden lid. I think it looks really stylish. And color, a little rectangle right here with name of the color. And of course in salon I'll probably just put some numbers on top, so it will be easy for me to find them. But if you just do at home, you can keep them clean and stylish right like that. Now I will go ahead and I will start to do swatches for you and show you all these beautiful colors. Okay guys, see you in a second.
I'm pushing cuticle back, and then using special cuticle e-file, I am cleaning up nail bed from cuticles. And then I'm taking away natural oils, roughing up the nail bed, cleaning up, and using dehydrator and primer. After that, I'm applying base coat. I usually use my own brush, but you can use just that brush that's already in the bottle. After I cured base coat, I am applying color, and with this little brush I am getting very close to cuticle. And here I'm just doing design.
Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And actually one more thing, if you work in salon or if you do it for yourself at home, you can get 10% discount of those gel polish. And here is my discount code, BeautyB10 for 10% off. And I think it's a nice little discount, so you can try it out and see for yourself if you like these products. And as for myself, I think they're very pigmented, the colors is beautiful. I wish to have them all. Maybe one day I'll get them all so I can show you swatches, but for now that's all, and I wish you a great day and see you in my next video.